What is the Debt Forgiveness Act? I'm Lathe Lavada with the Lathe Lavada Home Selling Team. The Debt Forgiveness Act was enacted in December of 2007. This act allows homeowners to exclude income from the discharge of their mortgage debt on a principal residence. If you owe a debt to someone else and they cancel or forgive that debt, the canceled amount may be taxable. If you think you might be responsible to pay taxes on the home you're thinking about short selling, then you should contact your local tax professional to determine whether or not you will qualify for the Debt Forgiveness Act of 2007. You may also want to review the IRS publication 4681 for more information. If you or someone you know is facing foreclosure and thinking about short selling, then call the number on your screen or the number appearing after this video for your free consultation. If you like this video and want to see more, please visit www.mrshortsalenv.com/FAQ.